builder! Today I'm going to teach you how to stick the Sokani x21 LED to just about any surface, as well as when and where to use it as an eye light. Done! Roll that intro! What's up everybody? You're watching Too Long Didn't Read Filmmaker, where the answers comes first, the reasons come last, but we are constantly and always still learning. So last week I reviewed the Sokani x21 LED and I shot 2 little test scenes with it, and by all means it's an awesome light, but I would never use it as a key light unless I really had to in a confined space. But what I did say was, I think this is an awesome light for you to basically build out a set with. You can use it to attach to pretty much anything because of how light it is. So today is a super short video. There's only 2 things I'm going to talk about, so let's get started. Number 1, how do you attach it to surfaces without leaving residue or ripping off the paint? Well, it's actually quite simple. Just use some poster putty made by Loctite. And you don't need a whole lot either. All I did was roll up 4 very tiny balls and placed it on the 4 corners of the LED, and then I stuck it to the wall, and that was pretty much it. Now, I left those LEDs on the wall for an entire week, and they're still there. They have not fallen, they have not sagged. The putty is actually strong enough to latch onto the flat side of the LED and of course whatever surface you're putting it on. And the awesome thing is it's reusable. It doesn't leave a residue. If it does have a little bit on the wall, just simply roll the putty over it and it will take it off. So this is awesome to know that you can attach it to any flat surface within your scene and not leave a mess, and basically, you know, you can shoot in very tight spaces and basically still have some lights to use. Number 2, if you like to do a lot of stuff with eye light, eye light is basically this little orb that's being caught by this light here. Let's say you don't have a lot of time, or you just need to have a little eye light without blasting the actor's face. You can actually use this Sokani LED, set it to about 25 or 30% if you're shooting a close-up. You're probably gonna have to blast it a little bit more if it's further away. But basically what you can do is you can just have a PA on set to hold that light right there. You can get that close-up shot, whatever it is, get that nice little dramatic eye light, and be on your merry way. And hey, that's it for this week, everybody. Super short video, I know, but if this video has made all the influence in your purchasing decisions, I would really appreciate it if you check out my Amazon affiliate links down below. Again, this costs nothing extra to you. It just gives me a little compensation so I can continue making videos like this for you. Now, next week should be quite interesting because I believe we should have more information on the Panasonic full frame camera. And assuming we do, I'm definitely gonna talk about that. If you have any questions or comments about this video or that upcoming video, definitely leave it down below. I will get to them as fast as I can. And until then, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.